Welcome to Top Num Up. Today we're ranking the top 20 smartest dog breeds in the world, from clever companions to genius-level working dogs.
Let's count down from number 20 to number 1 and see who takes the top spot.
20. Standard Schnauzer. Independent thinkers that respond well to structured training and leadership. 19. Flat-coated Retriever. Lively and quick to learn, always happy to engage in activity. 18. Belgian Tervuren Smart. Elegant and energetic. Loves both mental and physical challenges. 17. Schipperke. Curious and alert. They pick up routines quickly and have strong instincts. 16. Keyshawn, friendly and bright. They thrive on human interaction and learning. 15. Collie, gentle and highly intuitive, made famous by Lassie and rightfully so. 14. Belgian Malinois. Extremely focused and smart, widely used in military and law enforcement. 13. English Springer Spaniel. Intelligent and eager to please, with strong instincts for hunting and retrieving. 12. Miniature Schnauzer, energetic, clever, and great at understanding new commands. 11. Pembroke. Welsh Corgi. Not just adorable. Corgis are sharp, obedient, and fast learners. 10. Australian Cattle Dog, hard-working and highly focused. Perfect for complex tasks and herding. 9. Rottweiler Bold, confident and deeply loyal. Learns quickly with consistent training. 8. Papillon. One of the smartest toy breeds. Curious, quick, and highly responsive. 7. Labrador Retriever Versatile, intelligent and incredibly people-oriented. Great for families and service roles. 6. Shetland Sheepdog, small but mighty. Quick learners with excellent memory and strong herding instincts. 5. Doberman Pinscher Sharp, alert and protective. A brilliant working and guard dog. 4. Golden Retriever. Intelligent and incredibly friendly. They learn commands quickly and love to cooperate. 3. German Shepherd Smart. Loyal and a top choice for police and service work worldwide. 2. Poodle, highly trainable, agile, and eager to please. Excels in everything from agility to obedience. 1. Border Collie. The undisputed champion of canine intelligence, known for problem-solving and obedience. From loyal workers to quick-witted companions, these breeds prove dogs can be true geniuses. Which one is your favorite? Or does your own pup deserve a spot on this list? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Top Num Up for more animal rankings.